Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a character on Linky AI. First, open Linky AI. On the main screen, tap on Chats. If you're not logged in, log in. Use your credentials to log in or sign up. Once you are logged in, you will see an option to create a new character. Here you can select the gender of your character, female, male, or whatever. Next, give your character a name. Choose a name that fits your personality or role you envision for your character. After naming your character, you can write a description. This description should detail your character's traits, background, and personality. You can also select additional information for your character. This may include specific traits, skills, or attributes that define your character further. Once you have filled out all the necessary details, tap on the Generation button. This will create your character based on the information you provided. Your new character will now be available in the Linkey AI app, ready for interactions and further customization. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.